Here's one of the biggest misconceptions about replacing hoop house plastic. If you have a 20-foot wide hoop house, that means that your replacement plastic has to be wider than 20 foot long. And let's take a look. If we assume that this is 20 foot wide and we take the length of the hoop, look how much wider that is. So behind me is a 30-foot wide, 16-foot tall greenhouse. The way we're going to measure this for width and for length is the same for any type of greenhouse, regardless of the profile, round or Gothic. One person can totally do this without a tape measure going all the way around and being super awkward. We have a ball. This one happens to be a wiffle ball. You can also use a tennis ball. Just don't use anything hard or sharp. We have a 1/4 inch line with about 50 foot of slack on there, and we're just gonna chunk the ball over. So a lot of times we hear, hey, I need more than one person, I'm by myself. Here's a way that you can do this measurement totally on your own. You can either put this on the ground with a brick or a stick or something like that, but I'm going to use the same little piece of metal sticking out of the hoop house to start my starting point. Let's go back around to the other side. So as I bring this around, I'm not going to pull tight on it. I'm not going to put any pressure on the plastic itself, and I'm going to run it as close to the rib as possible. All I'm going to do is come, give it a little tug. And you don't have to cut it, but for the purpose of this video, I think it'll make things easier. So now, all we have to do is measure this for the length. And so with this T-post measured at 10 foot, I have a set point in which I can take that line and go from end to end, back and forth by myself and know exactly how much to measure. When I inevitably have a shorter piece, I'll just use that same tape measure, whether it's big or small, to measure that last little bit, and that'll give us our width. 40. I'm at 48 foot of plastic all the way around. Now let's go to Bootstrap Farmer and see our options for hoop house width. So to decide on what width of plastic we need, we have 40, 50, and 54. Now I personally like a lot of wiggle room. I don't want to be cut short. And at 48 feet, I don't feel like 50 foot is a good enough piece of plastic for what we're going to do. So I would pick the 54 foot wide piece of plastic for this 30 footer. If you're watching this video and you're saying to yourself, well, I have 30 foot wide, he just did it for me. I don't know what manufacturer you have. I don't know the configuration that you have. So 30 foot from Bootstrap Farmer may not be the same 30 footer from anybody else, or if you make it on your own. Now for the length, it's not as easy to simply throw that over, of course, because you're having to deal with the length of the hoop house. So this time you would need a ladder to measure from the very top of the peak down to the bottom. You multiply that times 2 because you have 2 end walls, and then the length of the hoop house. I'm at 15.6 from the very top of the peak down to the bottom. This is the longest part of the hoop house. So 15.6 plus 15.6 is 31 feet. So 60 foot plus 31 feet, I need 91 foot of greenhouse plastic. I'm going to order at least 100 foot and maybe even 110 foot, depending on if it's my first time or not. If this is your first or second time, give yourself plenty of plastic to go ahead and pull that, to make adjustments, make mistakes. If you've done it a few times and you're used to it, 100 foot's gonna get you fine on this. This is going to be the same exact principle if you already had a full-size hoop house without the plastic and you need to measure the hoop. It's going to take a little bit more work. You are going to have to get on a ladder. You're going to want to run that piece of line on the hoop itself. You don't really have that buffer of plastic. So same thing, take your string, clamp it low, and you're going to follow the curve as best you can. You could use zip ties, but then you're going to have to go and unclamp those afterwards. But if that's all you got, that's all you got. Okay, right now I have clamps basically clamping the whole profile of this particular structure. If you don't want to cut your rope, just use a marker. So this is telling us that we need 15 foot minimum piece of plastic to go over a 4 foot wide, about 6 foot tall round arch. And the same way to do this is the same way we do any other structure if you didn't have plastic. If you already have a Bootstrap Farmer greenhouse, go ahead and call into the tech line. We can look up your order number and tell you exactly what piece of plastic you need, if it's time for you to replace it, and that way we can keep you off the ladder and out of the field. Remember, these are cut pieces of plastic. There's no returns on cut plastic, so please make sure you take the extra bit of time and effort to get it right, so whenever you need it the most, you're not an inch or two short. That's the worst.